In today's video, you will learn how these guys made $146,527 using basically 3 minutes of their time by exploiting a $1 billion company that has 373 million monthly customers. On top of that, 50% of the customers are their own and 38% customers come from Google every single month. You can make money from all their customers without your own traffic, without paid traffic, without spamming your links on social media, and without creating your own product. Well, kinda. You will not need your own website. No technical knowledge required. It is 100% beginner friendly and money can be made from anywhere in the world. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, or digital currency if you want. And if you follow this video step by step till the end, you will learn how to start making money from today. The best thing about this system is that 99% of the work will be done by my app Epic that we use to make $1,000 to $5,000 per day. It just takes 3 minutes of your time per day. You will get free access to Epic from the link in the description. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help our customers and viewers earn money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. And our goal is to change the lives of 100 million individuals and families in the next 10 years worldwide. And we can't do it without you. For that, we need only 2 things from you. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, WhatsApp Messenger, and Telegram chat groups, Reddit groups, and everywhere possible. Together with your help, we can change lives and financial distress of the people who need it the most. So please hit the like button below and share this video with everyone. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, you will get notified as the most important viewer by YouTube when we will upload our next money-making video. First of all, the chance for the beginners to get fast results in this system is almost guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the same exact systems to get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitors we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our video. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because you don't need to use cameras. Epic allows you to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and text. You don't need to record your voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voiceover using text to voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for you for your videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to all our videos as well. From inside their dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we're not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys are making money in this method and how you can start making money starting today. Etsy.com is a $1 billion company according to SimilarWeb.com, and it has 373 million monthly visitors at the moment who come to the site to purchase something. So they are basically customers. 50% of these people are loyal visitors and customers, and 38% new people come from Google every single month. These are approximate numbers, by the way. So I know there is a lot of income opportunity on Etsy for beginners. So to get some fresh new idea about how to make money from Etsy for the beginners, I went to YouTube, searched with the keyword Etsy, and found this video on top ranking. By the way, this video got on top of ranking in just 1 day. That's no joke, but that's not important either. What's most important is the content of the video. The video is rich in content, but it's not really for the beginner. It's for experienced Etsy sellers. I went on checking this video and found this is the Etsy shop of this video creator. And she has over 44,000 sales from the Etsy shop. Wow. But when I looked closely at the best sellers, I found these are the items and they're not really for beginners. This is not easy. It needs specific skill and specific interest to learn, build, and sell. So it's not a free method and it's not an easy or fast method. It involves some degree of investment, knowledge, experience, consistency. But I have a better and easier formula that will help you make money in 3 different ways. So let me share. Here is a kicker. People buy and sell many different kinds of products on Etsy, and lots of people buy and sell digital downloadable products on Etsy. For example, check this one. Digital business card. If you click on this offer, you can see that this is the digital product and the price is just $10.50 and it has 13,955 sales by now. And if we calculate the earnings, the person who is selling this item has made $146,527 in sales revenue. Customers get just 2 PDF files and that's it. The seller is making 6 figures. Now here is how you can make money from the same system. Go to envato.com or freepik.com and search for the keyword business card. Here you see on Envato you'll get 14,000 plus card design, and on Freepik there are 39,000 plus. Get one of these templates or more and start selling on Etsy. But wait, I promised a system where you don't have to invest anything. Get one of these templates and start selling on Etsy. But wait, I promised a system where you don't have to invest anything. Now, here's a general problem on Etsy and these kind of websites. They are so crowded and there are so many sellers that it's hard to get noticed initially. So when you're just starting, it's you who have to send initial traffic to your stores. Then when orders start coming in, Etsy will know that your store is profitable and they will start sending customers to you. For initial traffic and all other kinds of traffic, we use our software Epic. Epic makes videos. The easiest are the YouTube Shorts videos. They are 1 minute long, easy to make in just under 3 minutes of work with Epic. For example, search business cards on YouTube. Scroll down a little and you will see the Shorts feed. Check out the numbers of views of all these shorts have. 14,000 views, 8.9 thousand views, 3.4 thousand views, 10,000 views, 4.7 thousand views, 1,000 views, 5.5 thousand views, and 3.8 thousand. People are making shorts and providing value. In case you were thinking about why I specifically showed you the example of shorts, because YouTube is promoting shorts videos these days, because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Facebook has also introduced a new feature called Reels. Just like YouTube, Facebook is also pushing the feature by putting Watch Reel button on top of the feed. Since this is a new feature, they're also giving more weightage to this type of videos in the algorithm. This means your YouTube and Facebook Shorts will have a higher chance of getting views and traffic as compared to any other type of video. Now, once you start getting views, you can drive that traffic to your Etsy store. Just put the link in the description and in the first comment, and since people will see you as an authority, they will be more likely to buy from you and multiply your sales. Since YouTube and Facebook are promoting this type of videos, you don't need to spend any money to get traffic. As I mentioned before, this is the same system we follow and make $5 from every visitor we get from YouTube videos. We use our software Epic and make short videos. Since YouTube loves short videos, they made money making easy for us. By the way, you can get Epic from the link in the description. Use this system, use our free software Epic. Link is in the description to make videos and upload them on YouTube. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and also you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customer. And they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.